How cute is this? It came. Well, this is one of them, so I'm gonna use this today. Oh my goodness, I love Rachel Ray. Her stuff is gorgeous. Okay, let's get started.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna do a smoothie. Strawberries, blueberries. I'm washing this. Strawberries, blueberries, coconut water, banana, aloe, and some oats. And since the baby is gonna be in bananas, I got these bananas I want to use. Since the baby also drinks it, I put this pack in there. It's baby food. I don't know if y'all can see it good, but they have it in the supermarket, and it has all this stuff in it. It has apples, bananas, see? So I could basically put this with my breast milk and give it to her in the morning, but I'm just gonna give this to her now. So this is how I do it. How's everybody doing? I hope all is well in the land of YouTube. I was gonna do a voiceover, but I decided not to. Here we go. So it's like powder. And because I'm still breastfeeding, I have that in the next video. Basically, it helps me. The oats, any kind of oats help me. But sometimes you get, bored eating the same thing. See? And now I'm like pescatarian, so like I only eat seafood. So I'm getting my body ready, baby ready. Again, like I said before, I'm just, okay. So she has the spoon that I was about to use. Okay, here we go. So what kind of smoothies do y'all like? Let me know. I don't really measure this. I just put like 3. I don't want it too thick. I use coconut water and aloe. So babies, they don't really care like about bitter stuff. Like their taste buds are really not that, I guess, I don't know the word, but not yet formed or developed. There we go. Not yet developed. So I just give her a little because this cleans your blood. So I want her blood cleaned, and she could drink this and then I'll drink it, and she drinks my breast milk. So anything I eat and drink, it looks like this. She basically has. So I do 2 of that. Hi, pretty. Yeah, so how's everyone doing? How's everyone been doing in this staying home and the Q word? How's everybody been doing? Let me know in the comment section. So when the banana gets like this, I usually just make cornbread. Banana cornbread. She loves it. I love it. We both love it. So I'll put I don't want to make it too thick. So my juicer I had when I moved from New York, I had it in the storage, and I totally keep forgetting that, I think I'll wash this. I totally keep forgetting that I have a juicer. But I do my seasonings in my blender, so I'm getting used to the blender. I don't like this one. Getting used to the blender life. So now let's put some coconut water. Ooh. This is just a quick, little 2-step I be doing. So the date on this, I checked the dates, is June 22. So 2022. June 2022. Okay, let's clear it up. Okay. I don't know if y'all really care about it, but I do. I watch the dates. I like to smell it. So this is what we have before we have dinner, you know, just to give her like a little bit of, you know, yummy, yummy, yum. Antibiotics, you know, the blueberries. And I usually put like some little powder of probiotics, but I don't see it here. I just decided, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put some of these in it. So some elderberry drops. So this is Mommy's Bliss elderberry drops because she's having it, you know, and because of everything that's going on. So this is what it looks like. It's black. Yeah, I just put, yeah. It's sweet. So she'll love it. All right. So cover your ears. I might mute this one. She doesn't really like the noise, but oh well. Okay, we're gonna smoothie. It's on a smoothie setting. All right, that's about it. I might put a little oats. Let's check it out. A little fancy glass. Okay, when I have company and I'm feeling fancy. Ooh, look at that. That looks pretty, right? Oh my gosh, it looks so good. So good. So this is a nice little pick-me-up, you know? Alright. So let me see. Let me get me on camera. Even though I don't really want to be. But it's alright. Hey guys. So this is it. I'm gonna add probably some more aloe because it's really sweet. So I'm tasting the strawberries, the blueberries, and of course the elderberry syrup. It's like a syrup, see? So all right guys, well thanks for watching. Happy juicing. I'll see y'all in my next video.